The Franklin County prosecuting attorneys warns just how dangerous Glock switches can be, which is why his office, for the first time, is charging a juvenile with that speculation.
It's very concerning. These dangerous, destructive devices are wreaking havoc in our community. They're relatively cheap. They're easy to attach to a gun, and they are very, very dangerous.
In this body-worn camera video, you can see Madison Township Police pull not one, not two, but 3 fully loaded handguns with Glock switches from 4 teens at the football game Friday night.
If they have it attached to a weapon, that means that that weapon goes from a semi-automatic weapon, meaning a bullet comes out after every trigger pull, to a fully automatic weapon, meaning one trigger pull and the gun will continue shooting until it's empty.
Madison Township Police say the teens, an 18-year-old, 2 17-year-olds, and a 16-year-old, were taken into custody. Madison Township Police say the 16-year-old was arrested January 26th this year for carrying a concealed weapon and improper handling of a firearm in a motor vehicle. That 16-year-old will now be the first juvenile in the county to ever be charged with having a Glock switch attached to a gun.
I cannot give you a ticket. I have to take you to jail. So if anybody got a little bit of weed, say you got a little bit of weed, we can handle this like men, because everybody over here is a grown man. Yo, come on. Step out. Don't reach for that. You all good. It ain't even that serious. Turn around for me. You're going to be detained, all right? You got any weapons in the car? You all good. All right.
They'll probably tell me.
With a gun?
Oh, no, come on. Knowledge, training, and experience.
A CZ Scorpion? Oh.
Knowledge, training, and experience.
All right, so let's put these in the car.
You see there's a bullet hole on the other side, too?
And that's a federal crime, sir. Oh, my goodness.
What?
A switch?
Wait, that's federal. Are we in front of this?
Yeah.
Take this one.
A switch? That's illegal, huh? Hold on 1 second. Jackpot!
Pull out already?
Nah, I'll do it.
That looks like knitting supplies.
That's definitely
Sorry, 33, 72.
I immediately knew what it was.